So, I just got this new Steam controller. Everyone's doing an unboxing video, so might as well do one. Let's see. Let's look at the requirements. Windows 7, Mac OS 10, 10, or SteamOS. Running a Steam client, and free Steam user account. Subject to terms of the Steam subscriber agreement, yada yada yada. Says it includes the controller, a USB wire, you guess it's USB interface stick, and 2 AA batteries. Alrighty, so let's start opening this. Take out my 40-year-old pocket knife, and mainly I just use it for cutting tape now. Get hurt if you actually use this on anything else. Oh. If you notice inside the box, there's blueprints. I don't want to take apart this thing yet. Actually, yeah, the seam's over here. I'm going to keep that intact, but if you can see that in the camera. Let's see if I can get this in the light. I don't know if you can see that. Nice little blueprints, details. And a nice sealed box. O-ring tape. Yeah. 40-year-old pocket knife. Slip here, slip here. Clean the knife. Closed, and we open. Da 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 da. Here's the nice pads, the typical buttons. Yeah, press there, press there. That should act as a button. Da 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 da. X, Y, A. 2 shoulder triggers. I guess that's where the USB is gonna go. Oh, that's a trigger also as well. And there's a switch here. I haven't read the instructions yet, so I don't know what it does. Okay, I figured out what it does. And if we look over here, something going in there, battery here, battery here. Get some light on this. And this is the cover. Let's see how easily it goes back in. So is that an actual button? I wonder. Oh well, guess I have to read the instructions, right? So that's gonna go back in there. That's neat. And if we look in the box, there's the AA batteries, USB dongle, and underneath the mold, oh, there's the card. Quick start guide. Take off the cover, put in the batteries, plus side pointing down. And when you're low on batteries, pull on the tabs, eject the battery. And USB dongle, or an expansion, USB dongle. Bling. And what does this say? Full controller experience, log into Steam, download Steam, find more in controller, steampowered.com. I wonder if they'll have an interface to use this on other PC games besides Steam. Health and safety, English, German, French, Spanish, Italian. And quick look. Batteries can be used with disposable AA or rechargeable AA. Yay. Proper use of batteries may result in leakage. Improper use of batteries may result in leakage. Yada yada yada. Keep batteries out of reach of children. Yeah, right. Do not explode usual safeties with batteries. Take out your batteries when not used for radio frequency signals. Exposure to heat and humidity, choking hazard. Contact numbers, United States, Canada, and the other languages. So, that is that. And how do I get this out? And I'll just pull that there. Aha. Aha. That. And ingenious. They made it so that the box will be ruined if I pull this out. Yoink! Come on, yoink. Yoink. There we go. I'll put you back there. So that's basically it. More later when I try to connect this. And there you go. Everything inside the box. Hope you enjoy. Oh wait, there. A better camera angle, controller. Comes with batteries, USB dongle, Wi-Fi signal receiver. Instructions, product guide. Expansion, I guess, if you don't want to plug it straight to your computer. And of course the cable. Hope that helps. I hope I got everything on camera too. Bye.